Bakit nga ba favorite na cafe ito ni Yorme? Kasi naman ang dami nilang mga dishes na reasonably priced and good portions.
Another day, another cha-cha.
Dati siyang HSBC building, Manila's oldest bank. After 100 years na preserve pa rin nila yung old nostalgic feel. If type mo yung mga ganitong content, huwag kang mahiya mag-follow. So eto na pala yung mga dishes na in-order namin ngayon. Ang napansin ko lang parang lumaki yung serving nila, which is good. So tara, tikman natin isa-isa and I'll give my honest reviews. Let's start with the pasta negra. Slightly bland for me, not my favorite. Next is the truffle pasta, my all-time favorite. Etong Thai beef salad, masyadong ginalingan. Very balanced ang flavor. I'm disappointed lang dito sa seafood pizza nila, hindi inayos ang dough. Buti na lang panalo tong salt and pepper squid. For the finale, the crispy pork belly, napakasarap, napaka-crunchy, very soft and moist. Oh, by the way, they roast their own coffee beans, so better to try their coffee. It won't disappoint. So when you're visiting Binondo, drop by Grand Cafe 1919. Bakit nga ba favorite na cafe ito ni Yorme? Kasi naman ang dami nilang mga